Family, I want to give a public announcement to everyone who is getting out of prison. If you have been convicted of a felony and you are coming home from prison, I don't care what color you are, this is going to apply to you. But if you look like me, this really is going to affect you. After you do your time, family, in America, the way the system is set up, it locks you out of a lot of things. It's going to lock you out of different housing. It's going to lock you out of different benefits. It's going to lock you out of different jobs. It's going to lock you out of different financial opportunities you can have because of the felon. So pretty much in America, they don't say it. They say second chance, but pretty much if you black in America and you got a felon, it's just like it's RIP on a t-shirt. It's pretty much it, fam. They're going to diminish you. Like, for real, like, it's only going to be so much you can do. So much. You're going to always have a foot on your neck. So let me tell you how you're going to keep this foot off your neck. Even though it's going to come periodically from time to time. Start you a business, fam. Be an entrepreneur. Use the job. Use that company, whatever company to give you an opportunity. Use that company. Save your money up. Invest your money in products. So that way your money can work harder than you, fam. That's how you're going to live free in America, fam, getting out of prison. If you want to live and enjoy your family, get your money up to invest in products. Create your own business. Create your own product. But if you can't create one, there's many of them out here that you can cling to and start making money off of that would not send you to prison, fam. So if I can tell you anything, if you're getting out of prison and you look like me, you a black Native American, start you a business. Learn financial literacy. Build something for yourself. But use the system. Use whatever opportunity you get to get your hog on.